Welcome to our channel Tech Updates. In today's video we'll review Ambrane Wise Roam 2 smartwatch, with Bluetooth calling. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel for more interesting and latest technology updates. Let's start the video. Ambrane has launched its Wise Roam 2 smartwatch. It features Bluetooth calling, 10-day battery life and more. Ambrane, a consumer electronics and mobile accessories brand, has launched the Wise Roam 2 smartwatch in India. The smartwatch follows after the Wise Roam, which was launched in June 2022. Calling the second edition of the watch all-in-one, the company has focused on both functionalities as well as the aesthetics of the device. The Wise Roam 2 gets Bluetooth calling, a 10-day battery life, and other cool features. Ambrane Wise Roam 2 specifications. The smartwatch features a 1.39-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 240. The company claims that it has used Lucid display technology, which makes the display visible even in direct sunlight. Alongside, users also get 100+ cloud-based watch faces to play with. Coming to the health and fitness features, the Wise Roam 2 gets more than 100 different sports modes, which include the most common sports and activities. It also has an array of health tracking features including SPO2, heart rate, blood pressure, breathe mode, sleep mode, menstrual tracker, and more. It also includes a daily activity tracker, stress record, and sedentary reminders, as well as other wellness mode features. The smartwatch has an IP68 waterproof rating for resistance to dust and water damage. The Wise Roam 2 is a smartwatch with voice assistance that supports both Alexa and Siri. It also has wrist alerts for incoming calls and text messages. The smartwatch can also control audio and camera and includes smart notifications, weather updates, camera control, and music control features. The smartwatch comes in 4 different colors including black, gray, blue, and green. Subscribe our channel for more interesting and latest technology updates.